Have you ever felt like you've been dealt a kick in the teeth? As English learners, understanding common idioms like this can be a real challenge. But mastering these expressions can take your communication skills to the next level. Let me share a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of kick in the teeth. My friend, who was new to English, thought it meant literally getting kicked in the mouth. So, when his boss told him he had really taken a kick in the teeth after missing a big deadline, my friend actually flinched and covered his face. But what does kick in the teeth really mean? It's an idiom that describes a sudden, unexpected, and demoralizing setback or disappointment. Let me show you how to use kick in the teeth correctly. My cousin had been working hard for months to land his dream job, only to be rejected at the final stage. He was devastated. It was a real kick in the teeth after all his effort and preparation. Here are some examples of how to use kick in the teeth in different contexts. Casual conversation: I got a kick in the teeth when my car broke down on the way to the interview. Formal setting: the company's unexpected loss of a major client was a real kick in the teeth. For our financial projections. Negative context: after losing the championship game, the team felt like they had taken a real kick in the teeth. Humorous context: when I spilled coffee all over my new suit, that was a real kick in the teeth to start the day. Literary context: the news of her father's passing was a devastating kick in the teeth, shattering her world. Business setting: the sudden economic downturn was a kick in the teeth for our expansion plans. Social media usage: seeing my ex's engagement announcement was a real kick in the teeth. I'm happy for them, but it still stings. To help you remember the meaning of kick in the teeth, think of a visual image of someone literally being kicked in the face. This physical metaphor can serve as a mnemonic device to connect the idiom's figurative meaning to the idea of a sudden, painful setback. Here are some fun facts about the idiom kick in the teeth. While the exact origin is hard to pinpoint, its usage became more common in the mid-20th century. The connection to physical assault is plausible but not definitively proven. The idiom's usage highlights how setbacks are perceived and expressed within the culture. While resilience can be a response to such setbacks, the idiom itself doesn't explicitly promote it. Similar idioms that express a sudden setback include punch in the gut, slap in the face, and below the belt. These idioms vary in intensity and context. While the idiom is common in everyday conversation, its use in literature and film can help illustrate its impact and nuances. Here are some idioms related to kick in the teeth. Similar: delta blow, sucker punch, gut punch. Opposite: on cloud nine, over the moon, on top of the world. Related: setback, disappointment, letdown. Let's try using kick in the teeth in a sentence. The news that I didn't get the promotion was a real kick in the teeth. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The news that I didn't get the promotion was a sudden and demoralizing setback. You can see how the meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more vivid and impactful description. I remember a time when a friend of mine used the idiom kick in the teeth perfectly in a conversation. She had been working on a big project at work for months, only to have her boss reject the final proposal at the last minute. She was so disappointed, but she handled it well, saying that rejection was a real kick in the teeth. But I'm not going to let it keep me down. I'll regroup and come back stronger. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom kick in the teeth. Grammatical mistake: saying a kick in the teeth instead of a real kick in the teeth. The word real emphasizes the severity of the setback. Meaning misunderstanding: thinking the idiom refers to a physical assault, rather than a metaphorical blow. Remember the figurative meaning of a sudden, unexpected disappointment. Inappropriate context, using the idiom to describe a minor inconvenience or setback. Kick in the teeth should be reserved for significant, demoralizing events. Let's test your understanding of the idiom kick in the teeth. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom kick in the teeth? A. A physical assault. B. A sudden, unexpected setback or disappointment. C. A compliment. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to kick in the teeth? A. On cloud nine. B. Dealt a blow. C. Over the moon. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to kick in the teeth? A. Setback. B. On top of the world. C. Disappointment. Correct answer, B. In summary, kick in the teeth is a powerful idiomatic expression that describes a sudden, unexpected, and demoralizing setback or disappointment. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly enhance your communication skills and help you express yourself more vividly in English. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom kick in the teeth in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. I'll see you in the next video.